Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is about how to master Chrome profile customization. We all know that Chrome is a powerful browser that can be customized to your liking. So here are some tips. Before you can do that, you have to open Chrome browser and then you navigate your mouse to this three dots over here. You just have to click on it and then you scroll down to settings. Okay, so when you come to settings, you just have to look at this side of your settings. Then you can see we have you and Google, we have autofill and passwords, privacy and security. So we are going to take them one by one. So you have to click on you and Google. Okay, so when you do that, you can see that you have some options here. One is sync and Google services. So this one is when you have a lot of profiles and you want to sync them to your Google Chrome browser and Google services. So if you, in case you have other profiles somewhere, you can just do the sync. Maybe you have more than one email address, you can just do the sync and then add up your email addresses. You can manage your Google account, you can customize your Google profile. So you can just choose any of this theme color over here. You can use, okay, so you can choose any color that you want at all. So you can also choose an avatar. Yeah, right. So in case you don't want to see your initial for Google, you can, when you navigate your mouse here, you can see that I chose sunglasses. So you can change this to whether basketball, bird, cheese, whatever you want. You can just do that. The moment you select it, it will be changed over here. Okay, so the moment you're done, you just go back. Right. So in case you have an old laptop or you have some documents that were lost on an old laptop, you can just use import bookmarks and then settings to retrieve back all your important files or important websites that you lost. Okay, so I'm going to go to autofill and passwords. So you can manage your password using this option, and also you can set up your payment methods in case you want to buy something. You don't want to be inputting your card details manually. You can just do these settings over here, and then whenever you want to buy something, it automatically fills out the details for you. And then we also have addresses and more, so you can also set your addresses over here. You don't have to be doing that manually. We have privacy and security, so you can clear your browsing data and then you can explore this at your own time. You have performance, you can check, you can also check the performance of your browser, right? And then we have appearance. So appearance, you can also change the Chrome colors. Let me, okay, so you can choose any color that you want over here, right? You can select any color at all. So if I select let me see, let me just scroll down to look for the one that I want. I think this should do. This looks a bit okay. I'm going to choose this Harvest Feast and then I'll add it to Chrome. So the moment I do that, it changes everything over here. It changes the appearance of my Chrome browser. I can decide to undo this, but then I want it to be left like this. Okay, so I'm going to go back. You're going to go back to settings, right? So in case you want to reset the appearance, you can do that using the option that I just showed you. And you can also change the font size. So if you want to change the font size of your writings, you can always use this option. You can make it small and you can make it medium. So medium is always recommended. You can also customize the fonts here in case you don't want Times New Roman. You can always change the font that you want to see over here using this option. So I'm going to change it to Vedana, right? So the changes has been made. Okay, I think that is all. Yeah, then we have search engine. So with this search engine, you can always change your default search engine. So when you click on this, you can see that we have some options in the drop down. We have Bing, we have Yahoo, we have DuckDuckGo, we have Ecosia. So you can always change it to the one that you want, and then you are good to go. So with the other, when you click on this as well, you can see that Google Chrome is your default browser. Yeah, so you can also have languages. You can change the languages and everything. So I would advise that you take your time and go through this step by step. So this is all about customizing Chrome profile. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts and like this video.